Julian King. Come on up, Miss King. Give her a hand, y'all. Thank you so much. And so Miss King has as well testimonies, and I want to bring up another gentleman by the name of Dr. Andrew Brown. This gentleman is a mogul. He is a businessman. He's also, I say, Dr. Andrew Brown. This gentleman is known throughout the industry of network marketing. Tons and tons of experience in building teams on a global level. He's a millionaire in his industry, and I'm excited that he's partnered with Miss King and also Siseki Global Family. So without further ado, I want to bring up Mr. Dr. Andrew Brown. All right, thank you so much. They got some powerful testimonies they want to share. Why Senki, why now?
Good evening again, everyone. Good evening. Well, I can tell you, I have my why Senki, why now. So I've been battling with constipation problem for a period of years. And I've been being introduced to this awesome opportunity. I've been flown to Florida to view what is going on. I started taking the products, and I mean, I was amazed. It was awesome. I was, wow. Every day I've been going now, twice per day. Wow. No more constipation, and that's my why. That's why Sanki, why now. The next one, I can attest to what Mr. Skate says. My knee was swollen, very huge. And after taking the products, I'm not going to tell you that I'm 100% because of the bone that, you know, when it moves, but the swelling is not there anymore. Wow. And I can move. I can move. So that's why I chose this product, and I know you're going to be amazed when you started taking this product.
Wow. Hey guys, my testimony is very simple. Last year, January, I was diagnosed with diabetes. With a doctor, young men like me who go to the gym very often have diabetes. Not only that, they tell me my cholesterol is out of whack. Not only that, they tell me I'm have high blood pressure. So I was like, what's going on? And to be honest with you, I take it very serious because the doctor tell me that I'm with a 6.7. Anybody know what diabetes is? 6.7?
A1C.
A1C, you're going to. Insulin. And I tell myself I wasn't going to take no insulin. So I came home and I was there and I said, you know what? I have to change my diet. Because I asked my doctor, what can I do? All right? And he says, the food that you're eating is causing you to be sick. I said, I'm intelligent. I go to school. Why am I getting sick? And so I started to change my diet, sort of put away stuff from my diet. And Miss Julian King called me and she introduced me to this product. This was 4 months ago, she introduced me to this product. But before that, I changed my diet from what I was eating and started to eat more greens and stuff in my diet and stuff like that, put away carbs and stuff in my diet. But I went to the doctor and they told me that I was still where I'm at, even though I was eating the greens and stuff. Wow. But 4 months after I started, 4 months, no, 2 months. Yeah. I just lied. 2 months. I started to use these two products. These two products. I do this in the morning and the night. I haven't touched the shakers yet. I was telling Julie. And I do it every day for 2 months. I went back to the doctor and she told me that I'm now 4.5. Wow. 4.5. Wow. And I could feel a big difference. I was going to take the paper to show you guys the date to the date where I'm at. Wow. Free medication. I'm not on none. Wow. I'm off the medication for antibiotic, and I'm off the medication for high blood pressure. I'm off medication for high cholesterol. And I'm going to tell you this. I'm not going to stop ever doing this. Even if the company closed down, I'm serious. And the thing about this, my weight, not only that, but my weight, I lose weight so rapidly because of the product that I'm getting. And I'm saying this to you, this thing is very nasty. Very nasty. But I drink it because I know what it's going to do for my body. Do you hear what I said? It's very nasty. Okay? Very nasty. All right? When I drink it, my body goes, but at the same time, I know what's going to do for my body. It's going to align my body. So I guess what? I take it each morning. Guys, I'm telling you, if you don't want to be a part of this business, all you have to do is try the product. It works. That's all I'm saying to you. The product works. That's my time, and I'm out of here.
I didn't know that, man. I got another testimony to use. Man. I'm telling you, I get rich off other people's testimony. I'm telling you, man, I tell it all day, every day. I got a 25-year-old had diabetes 10 years, 25 years old. And he took the product one day. I eat one of each. I told you, one of each. And his numbers was 327 the day before. The next day, his numbers were at 70. Right? That's huge. And he took it one time. The next day.